For engaging, hands-on physical science labs on force and motion, simple machines, kinetic and potential energy, use Flynn PS Works. Made of durable hardwood, this high-quality equipment is an incredible value. Flynn's line of PS Works includes the conservation of energy track, the roller coaster track, the carriage and ramp, the lever arm, a parabola, this pendulum, and this marble ramp that can be converted into a projectile launcher. Each product comes with detailed instructions that include student worksheets and sample data. And this sturdy PS Works support stand makes switching from one apparatus to the next easy with no other clamps required. And the Flynn PhotoGate timer is the perfect complement to these labs. The timer is simple to operate, and its 5 functions allow students to calculate the speed and acceleration of objects and to accurately time simple harmonic motion. It even comes with a handy stopwatch mode. The PhotoGate clamps to any PS Works apparatus, or it may be used as a standalone product for classic physical science experiments, like the picket fence drop. Flynn PS Works products allow students to conduct experiments that teach the core concepts in any physical science curriculum.